my channel. So for today's vlog is I'm going to unbox a package came from Babe Rosette Apolinario. So here it is. And the store name, guys, is Rahar Delisa. I'm so excited, guys. So let's open. Ayan guys, yung laman ng aking box cause I just ordered 30 pieces of lip tints to Babe Rosette Apolinario. Guys, one of my favorite lip and cheek tint is Rosette in the shade of Aurora. So, eto siya guys, yung gamit ko ngayon. Tingnan nyo yung shade niya. Ang ganda. Yan siya guys. So, long-lasting po siya. At saka yung scent niya is like candy, chewing gum. In very affordable price na guys. Add to cart na kayo. Just search Rahar Delisa at Shopee. Go, go, go! Guys, sa lahat po ng gustong mag-avail, just search Rahar Delisa sa Shopee store po niya. And please follow to her IG page, Rosette Apolinario, to her TikTok account, Rosette Apolinario, and to her YouTube channel. Please subscribe, guys. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow on my TikTok account and IG page. Thank you, I love you, and God bless.